Okay, welcome to the latest completed food forest over here at Redondo Beach. So see and note this plant, it's a California native. This has been seeded with medicinal plants. We got us a DG pathway going. And then over here, we just planted a bunch of leafy greens because it's winter. There's a bench, a flagstone. We've got a Pakistan mulberry. We've got a peach. We've got toyon, California natives against the wall there, so they're going to attract the birds and butterflies. And look at that ginormous aloe vera. So happy it's blooming. We got us a solar-powered pump. The solar panel there, it's going to power the pump. So as soon as the sun comes out, then she's going to have a rain curtain. We'll do another video just on that. We have carapia here. It's just going to spread and get together. Banana tree in the back of the statue, so that banana trees produce pups and as well as bananas, and so they're going to have multiple stems. And so the overall look will look like something out of Thailand. So loquat tree is a strawberry tree. And here's a lime, lemon, avocado, another California native right here. Gets pink flowers, California myrtle. And this is a, this is a cherimoya tree. And we've our rainbird valves. And there's that copper one there's for the autofill for the fountain. And then we have another California native here. There's the mulch left over from the old tree. So, and then here's a tea tree, which we're going to get oil out of to make tea tree oil out of. And then here's a pear tree, lime. Here's another. This is a very dwarf pear. It only gets about 6-7 feet tall. Couldn't make up our mind on what kind of apple trees, so we got a couple of apple trees, but they have about 5 or 6 different varieties of apple. Fuji, Anna, Dorset, ones that grow well in the beach area. And then a passion vine. This passion vine in a year is gonna cover this entire wall. And there you have it. This is from another perspective. It's the barbecue, and this is the vegetable garden area, and then a DG pathway to be able to service this. And then fava beans were planted throughout. So those are nitrogen fixers. So we're going to be able to get nitrogen from the, or we're going to put nitrogen in the soil by the use of plants. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this short video. Food Forest, take care.